Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one. Granted, it was a rough day for the entire markets, but nonetheless, it is what it is. Rough day. So let's see, kind of how the price behaves now around some of these new levels of support and resistance here that need to be mapped out. So one of the newest areas of resistance is going to be right here at this former area of support, which sits right around $7.50. So $7.50, if there is any sort of attempted, bounce back to the upside, because to be fair, right now there is a little bit of a bounce right here. But if that bounce continues, $7.50 is now going to be that first big question mark to kind of gauge the health or lack thereof of any sort of bounce. So, I mean, if it gets up there and the price just goes right through it like a warm knife through butter, well, then, hey, at that point, it's not a guarantee of anything, but it means that it's very valid to be thinking, okay, wow, yeah, looking like the bulls are really starting to show up with some strong power here. Now, if the price gets up there and then the price starts to kind of tiptoe around, at that point, I'd be a little bit more skeptical of whether or not, the bounce has any sort of genuine strength. So keep an eye on that initial level, and then if the price can push up through $7.50, the next key overarching level of resistance would be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at $9, but again, that is a moving average, so that value is going to move and change as time goes by. But like I said, you don't want to get too far out of yourself, so doesn't make much sense right now to put too much focus on that purple line until the price can first prove itself by getting up above $7.50. As far as areas of support, first key level, nothing fancy, nothing complicated, literally just a question of, okay, well, where did the bleeding stop today? And the bleeding stopped right there at about $6.60. So that'll be that first key level. In the event that cannot hold up as support, the next level you would want to turn your attention to is that former breakout area right down there around the $6 mark. So $6.60 and then $6, two main areas of support, $7.50, and then that 50-period moving average, main levels of resistance. So let's see how this one plays out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.